You stole my chicken.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. No, we don't expect you to.
You stole my chicken.
Yeah. But you get some rest. Yeah, we will. We'll do our best.
Motherfucker, you stole my chicken.